copy each, and then you upload that in Google Classroom, in the classwork, okay? You upload that one because I will be recording your presentations and also your outputs. I will be collecting that kasi for sure malapit na mag face-to-face. So I will be collecting your outputs when face-to-face classes resume, okay?
Like the models pa?
Yes,
Okay.
soon to resume. So inshallah, yeah, inshallah. But we're not gonna do the exhibit, but then I will still collect your outputs because that is your project. Okay? And then the presentation, I will be grading that also. Zian, you're raising your hand.
3D output, miss. It'll give you like a, under that.
Sorry?
It'll give you like a 3D output, miss.
Huh? The what?
Like, we'll give you like something that can, like the same thing as an SIP, like that one, miss.
Yes. Your output, the output mismo, yung output, you're gonna
Yes.
give it. But we're not gonna do the exhibit anymore since we're already in our fourth quarter. So that is a different topic. Yes, Sean.
So like we will print the PowerPoint and then give it to you when it's
No.
oh no.
The
Oh,
presentation.
It's the sculpture. Remember the art, the painting?
Yeah. The presentation, you're gonna upload it in Google Classroom, and then the output itself, like the art that is assigned to you that you have to create, you still have to pass that one. But we're not gonna do the exhibit anymore because we're already in fourth quarter. We're gonna discuss different topic already. So since I am already recording your grades, you start uploading your presentation to our Google Classroom. So the MAPE presentation, you ask the copy to your group members. For those who created the presentation, you ask the copy so that you can also upload it for yourselves, and I can grade that individually.
So the presentation we'll just send in the Google Classroom.
Yes, just check the classwork for MAPE presentation, and then in MAPE presentation you upload. You don't need to access Google Drive kasi once you upload that one, automatically ma-upload na siya sa Google Drive.
Yes, miss. I've already sent mine.
Yeah, I've seen. Yung mga reporters.
I also added it to Google Classroom.
Yes, thank you. The others, those who already presented or reported, I already graded the presentations. The others, since hindi pa naman nakapagpasa yung iba, might as well, ipasa nyo na. May nag-turn in naman ng 4. But I graded 6 students pa lang. Okay.
But how about for those who didn't do the presentation yet?
For those, again, sige, I'm gonna say it again.
Yeah.
For those who did not present it yet, you need to upload your presentation in the classwork MAPE presentation. You upload that one.
Okay.
We don't need to do presentations na because it's already
We're in the fourth
quarter.
quarter. Yes.
Yeah. So you upload your presentations because I will be checking that one by one because I'm already starting to grade. I'm giving you grades already. So, yun. So, actually, the deadline for your submission, since you already have your presentations, I will be waiting up until today because I'm already we're already done. So I will not wait for that. Would be questionable if you haven't created or you're not yet done with your presentation.
Create food presentations like the Asian craft something.
Yeah, with the PowerPoint.
Yeah. Okay.
You
Oh,
upload
Miss,
your PowerPoint presentation in
Miss,
Google Classroom.
in wait. I submitted my presentation in the Google Classroom because I can't access in the G Drive. I need
No,
to.
you don't need to access the Google Drive. You just have to upload your presentations in the classwork MAPE presentation in Google Classroom. You don't
Okay.
need to access the Google Drive
Okay.
because the Google Drive, that's where your presentation will be collected, but you don't need to access that one. Because you will just upload your presentations dyan sa classwork ninyo in Google Classroom. Yung nag-turn in pa lang dito, si Sean, si Mavin, si Zian, si Von, and the one that I already graded, sila James, si Alfonso, si Sean, si Majid, Sean Jade, Majid, Kyle, and Roland.
I'm
Yun.
not graded yet, miss.
Mavin, yeah, you already turned in your ano.
No, because you only have mentioned Alfonso.
I
Or is
have
it just the group? You're mentioning the group?
yeah, I have graded you also.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
this your presentation will serve as your performance task, yung groupings ninyo. Yung presentation na yun, individually graded kayo, but then yung two first reporters, they can upload their presentation as one lang. Kasi alam ko naman kung sino yung nag-report. But then, for those who have not presented or reported yet, get the copy to your group member and upload it by yourself. So I will be getting 3 copies each members kasi that's where I'm going to give grade. Nagigets nyo ba? Do you get what I mean, boys?
Yes, po.
Okay, so you ask the
Yes,
copy. You ask the copy to your group member and then you upload it also to Google Classroom. For example, yung group nila Mavin, Alfonso, at saka sino pa yon? Si Sean, tama
Me,
ba?
Ortega po, yes.
For example, if they did not reported yet, each one of them should have a copy of their presentation and upload that to Google Classroom. So there will Mavin has a copy, Alfonso has a copy, and Sean has a copy. And then they need to upload that. That's what you're going to do. Understood?
Yes.
So for your MAPE, for fourth quarter, I will be sending you a worksheet in your Google Classroom and you will be answering that. That will serve as your pre-test. As your pre-test. Because the topic that we will be tackling or discussing will be Family Health 1, which is the gender and human sensuality, your teenage concerns, and managing your sensuality related issues. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, going back. I will be checking your ano Okay, nagsusunod-sunod na. Yung mga missing pa lang dito, si John Drex. If may regalo yung 8D. Uy, boys, you know that it's Miss Erin's birthday, right?
Yes.
I thought
You have a
yesterday,
gift
Miss.
for her.
Today.
You have a gift for her.
Is she there, right? You, miss? Is she there in
Yes,
front of you?
don't forget
Or else?
her.
Miss.
We do have a gift.
Ortega,
for
you
her.
already sent it your presentation, right?
Okay, wait. If I
So,
mentioned, listen,
Yes.
if I
I'll send
mentioned your
mine.
name
Okay.
here, if I mentioned your name here and you already presented, okay lang yun. Kasi sa class record ko, may grade na yun. Pero dito, missing siya kasi nga, yung group nyo yung grenadean ko. I mean, there is a comment there naman. So yung wala pa is John Drex, Carl, David, sino pa? Si Matthew, si Kenix, si Rigel, si Nash, si King, si Larson, Renz, Isaiah, Zid, Andre, Justin, Sael, Grofel, excuse me. Sino pa? Haven, si Alfonso tapos naman na to. Sino si Ellen? Ba't may Ellen dito? Adarna? Is this a troll? In Google Classroom? Si Jasser, wala pa. Si Sir Magdi is a student. Ano ba yan? Si Sir Michael Vince din. Tsaka si Miss Heba. Okay.
Miss, what's this? You won't, the one who already presented won't give it to the others, right?
The one who already presented, if you want to resubmit, you can. Para may record lang din kayo sa Google Classroom na grade. Pero sa class record ko, may grade na kayo. Pero if you want, just for transparency, you can also re-upload. Even if your leader or your group member already uploaded your presentation, if gusto nyo na mag-upload din kayo, kasi wala pa kayo dito sa Google Classroom na grade, okay lang din. You may upload. So those are the students that I mentioned. Those are the students that did not pass yet their presentation. So I will be grading your presentations today. So isubmit nyo na yan. Sean.
So, Miss, even if I presented but didn't send the copy to you, it's fine for me to not
Yes,
send it?
because I already recorded your presentation grade sa class record ko. But for transparency, para nakikip track nyo rin yung mga grades ninyo sa Google Classroom, you can re-upload. Anyways, kung ano yung nilagay kong grade sa class record, yun din naman ang ilalagay kong grade dyan sa Google Classroom. If you want to re-upload, you may. Okay lang.
Okay,
David.
thank you, Miss.
Miss, I send my presentation in the classroom.
Wala.
It's there.
No, it's not here. Ang nandito
No,
lang na nag-turn in, James, Von, Zian, Sean Jade, Mavin, and Sean Raff. Ano daw, miss? Ano? Sa comment? Nagsabi daw po yung drive, you need access. Tapos na to kanina. You don't need to access the drive. You just need to upload it because dito kayo mag-upload sa Google Classroom. Ako lang ang may access nun. So if you already passed or submitted the presentation, gagradean ko kayo niyan. May grade kayo niyan automatic sa akin. Ni-return ko na sa inyo yung mga ano ninyo, yung mga presentation ninyo with your grades. Alright, going back. So, what we're gonna talk first, ang una natin pag-uusapan muna is your gender and your human sensuality. Yon. So, in human sensuality, it includes all the mental, emotional, and the spiritual characteristics associated with male or with being a male, okay, or female. So one of the greatest concern of most parents is emerging sensuality of you adolescents. So it is important that your parents, our parents, and other adults, including us, your teachers, understand your emerging sensuality of adolescent as you interact with you interact with and you build relationship with the other persons as a complete person, okay? So education for human sensuality helps one make intelligent decisions concerning sexual behavior, and it will help you grow into a mature man. All right? So I will be sending you a worksheet where you're going to answer, and there's a table there. So you're going to answer that one. Wait lang, upload ko sa Google Classroom ninyo. You're going to answer that and you upload it. It's an PDF form. So you use, I only accept dapat ayoko ng handwritten. Word file, okay? So you should answer it in Word file and then upload it in the classwork. Same pa rin kung paano nyo pinasa, how you passed your presentations, that's what you're going to do as well with the classwork or with the worksheet. Sige nga, let me ask you a question. Pamatay oras na lang. Sige nga, why do you need or why do we need to study human sexuality? Sige nga, anyone. Why do we need to study that? Zian.
Why we need to study?
Alright, Miss Hambak po.
So so we can pass down the knowledge to future generations, and then they will learn, they will explore more, and then it will become a bigger topic.
Okay, what else? Why do we need to study? Diba sabi, human sensuality includes the mental, emotional, and spiritual characteristics associated with being male. Why do we need to study that, Mavin?
In order for us to become the person we want to be.
Okay,
Because
correct.
if we don't know these things, then we will not be able to become the person that our parents want us and that what we want to be. Yes.
Okay, thank you. What else? Alfonso.
Yes.
Why do we need to study human sensuality?
To discover one another po, and to to know yourself po.
Okay, correct. Very good. Who else? Carl. Carl, why do we need to study? Sira yung mic. Okay. Okay, sige. Andre na lang. Si Andre na lang. Why do we need to study human sensuality?
Human sexuality?
Oo. Sensuality. This includes your mental, your emotional, your spiritual characteristics. Why do we need to study that? Sige nga.
Because like you can understand yourself more the more you understand how your brain and like how your sexuality works. Dig deeper into
Okay.
yourself.
Thank you, Andre. Who wants to elaborate or who wants to add more idea about that? Kyle. David. David,
Yes.
why do we need to study human sensuality?
It helps you understand yourself.
Okay, it helps you understand yourself. What else?
Yeah. Oh,
Hmm?
I don't know, Miss. I don't know what that is.
Okay. So, ayun na nga. As what I have said earlier, our education, sige, go Sean, go ahead.
Human sensuality, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we need to learn about human sensuality because it is how we can express ourselves with different emotions and like how we can find our hidden talents throughout the years that we grown up until like adolescent, which is we are at right now.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So basically, education for human sensuality helps one make intelligent decisions. Okay, concerning sexual behavior, and it will help one grow into a mature man. Okay? So all of your answers were correct. Pero how should one look at human sensuality? Sige nga. How does one look into human sensuality? Anyone? How does one look at human sensuality? Nash. Wait lang. Si Sean, sige. Yes, Sean.
What was the question again, Miss? To find human sensuality?
Yes.
You need to be.
How should one look into human sensuality? How should one look?
We need to be self-aware on what we are expressing towards other people, your parents, friends, etc. Or like being mindful on your like surroundings with one another.
Okay, thank you. Alfonso.
How does one look? Is it a perspective yung question? People look at human sensuality as understanding of emotional communication and connection po with others in a mature level for people to help you and make you understand po.
Okay, thank you. Ayun, so we actually have 3 dimensions of human sensuality. And this involves your biological, your psychological, and your socio-cultural dimensions. So these are the interactive, what do you call this? Interactive relationship of this 3 dimensions that describes individuals' total sensuality. So all of these dimensions constantly interact and influence a person. So, yun nga, the biological dimension, the psychological dimension, and the socio-cultural dimension. So, when we say biological dimension, what comes to your mind pag narinig niyo yun? Relating to human sensuality, when we say biological dimension, what does that mean? Anyone? Majid? Majid?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Ah!
Sorry, miss. My computer is just loading so slow, miss. That's why.
Where?
I
Okay.
heard this end.
So when you hear biological dimension, in relating to human sensuality, what does that mean? What comes to your mind when you hear biological dimension?
It talks about the human itself.
It's a dimension.
Biological. Ano? Sagot.
I'm still thinking, miss. Wait.
Ano? Biological dimension of you as a person. Biological. From the word itself, biological. Sige nga. So in human sensuality, when you hear biological dimension, what does that mean? What comes to your mind when you hear biological?
Genetic
Kasi diba-
structures.
Okay.
Genetic structures, miss.
Okay, correct. Thank you, Majid. Mavin.
Birthright, parents, family.
Okay. What else? Who wants to add? Sayel. For the mukbang ka na dyan.
I can pass it to Kyle.
For the mukbang.
Iba na lang po.
Go. Just say it. What comes to your mind when you hear in relating to human sensuality, because there is 3 dimensions. First one is the biological dimension. What comes to your mind when you hear biological dimension? Paano mo siya i-relate sa human sensuality? Okay, thank you. That's correct. Sayal, tinatawag kita kanina for the mukbang ka lang dyan. Sayal.
Iba na lang po, miss.
Nako, susumbong ko kayo kay Miss Erin. Okay, so sa biological dimension of human sensuality, nai-involve doon yung mga physical appearance ninyo, your characteristics, your responses to stimulation, your ability to reproduce or to control the fertility, ganon, your growth and your development as an adolescent. Okay? So the biological aspect, it relates to the other dimension and they work together to produce an individual's total sensuality, which in turn is part of your total personality. Okay? Hanggang anong oras pala tayo? Baka mag-overtime tayo dito. Super talking.
We have 9 minutes left po.
9 minutes. 9 minutes. Aware pala sila sa oras nila. Sige. Okay, so I will be uploading a classwork where you're going to answer and do a checklist in your Google Classroom. You answer that. That should be answered within tomorrow. I will check your
Miss, what file should it be? File type.
it should be naka-document lang siya, Word file.
Okay po.
Walang mag-upload ng naka-PDF, ha? Okay na yun. I-Word file nyo lang. Alright. So just check your Google Classroom later and you check also kung kailan yung deadline. Pero I will be checking that tomorrow.
Miss, I sent my presentation in the Google Classroom, by the way. And I sent it in the
Let me check.
publicly and privately.
Okay. Andito na. Yeah. How about the others? When are you gonna submit? John Drex, Carl, Matthew, Kenix, Rigel, Nash, King, Larson, Renz, Isaiah, Zid, Andre, Daniel, Justin Daniel, Sayel, Grofel, Haven, Jasser. When are you gonna submit? I will try today. Magsa-start na akong mag-record. Okay lang. Pero nagre-record na ako eh.
Kaya may pinapasubmit sa'yo?
You need to submit within today kasi I've been waiting for ano na to eh. Matagal na to.
Miss, may pinapasubmit po kay Sel?
Yes po.
Groupmate ko po si Sel, Miss.
Oo, pero pwedeng isubmit lang para may grade din kayo dito sa Google Classroom.
Okay po. So, isasubmit po yung presentation.
Opo.
Okay po. Isasend ko na lang.
Okay po.
Wait lang, miss.
Yes. Even if your group member already submitted the presentation, you should ask for a copy and also upload it for yourself.
Miss, for the activity in the Google Classroom, when will we be due?
Today, I will send it. I will
Until
send it.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Until tomorrow. I will send it.
Miss, you're muted.
Huh?
No, he's not
It's not
muted.
muted.
I'm not muted, ah. Signal mo lang yan.
Miss. You have braces? Miss, I already sent the PPT for my whole group, miss. So they don't have to send it anymore. Right?
Sige. Okay. Alright. Goodbye, boys.
Goodbye, Miss. See you next meeting.
See you next
Bye,
time.
bye.
Goodbye,
Goodbye,
miss.
Miss.
Oh
See you
wait,
next
miss,
time po.
miss. Can I tell you something? Wait.
What?
Wait. Let them leave first.
Bakit? Ano na naman yan, David?
No, wait. I need to.
Na-stress na ako kay David.
David, come on. I can't leave until you say it.
Go ahead, David.
No.
David,
I
stress
have to
mo to
tell
talaga.
I have to tell miss only.
Miss, na-stress
You
na ako
guys
kay David.
leave.
O, sige, leave. I
David
will
talaga, David eh.
ikikik ko na sila kapag hindi pa sila